Yo guys, what's going on? Today we're doing a move called the 2022 Valorant right click. Here's what it looks like. That's the move. Here is a slow-mo. Alright guys, this is a really simple and flashy way to go from a reverse grip to a forward grip, which is actually very useful. To begin this move, as mentioned, you're going to start off in a reverse grip with your thumb about maybe three quarters or 2/3 of the way up the safe handle, and your 4 fingers along the back of the knife. You see the back of the blade is right here. And I'm going to be pinching mostly with my thumb and index finger. And to begin this move, you can release with your 4 fingers, so that way the bite handle will fall straight down, just like so. So grabbing the reverse grip, release with my 4 fingers, the bite handle will fall down. At this point, I can take my bottom 3 fingers, wrap them around the safe handle, and I want to give special attention to pinch with my pinky. So my pinky is doing most of the pinching, and my top 2 or my upper, whatever, my middle 2 fingers are going to be barely kind of hanging on a little bit. So again, safe handle, release the bite handle, wrap my fingers around, basically mostly pinching with my pinky. At this point, I can take my thumb and move it way out of the way for the next part of the move. So reverse grip, swing down, pinky grab, thumb gets way out of the way. And here, you can see I'm in this kind of finger guns position, and that's basically what you're going to want to do, is from this finger guns position, you can kind of point down a bit and bang, shoot up, and to swing the knife up, and so you can catch with your index finger. So from this pinched position here, boom, swinging up and catching. And one of the things you're going to need to be successful is to be pinching mostly with your pinky finger so that the safe handle can pivot around. You'll see when the knife starts, when the safe handle starts, it's in front of my thumb. When it ends, it is tilted backwards to be almost behind my thumb, and that gives me a little bit of extra reach. So you can just practice this pinching here, finger guns up, and catch just like so. So reverse grip, release the bite handle, pinch with the pinky, remove the thumb, finger guns, and catch. From here, you're going to release your bottom 3 fingers to be pinching with your middle finger and index finger. And this part I'm going to highlight as potentially dangerous because the sharp side of the blade is coming at your fingers from the top, and after you flip around here, it's going to be potentially coming at your fingers from the bottom. One thing I definitely recommend you master is the wrist pass. That'll be in the description. Learn that first if you haven't already. That'll just help you dealing with the blade. But let's get right into this one. So from your pinching here, as you kind of saw, what we're going to do is we're going to flip the knife up, have it turn around, and then point the blade to the floor. So the blade starts pointing up, spins inwardly, and then points to the floor. Now, here's a tip not to get cut. This is the big deal here. We're going to do a little bit of an upwards flip, a little bit of a wrist turn. So you can see my thumb, which used to be pointed to the ceiling, is now going to be pointed basically towards me. Inwards turn. And then we're going to do a big drop to point the bite handle towards the floor. And when the bite handle is pointed straight at the floor, boom, vertical like this, the blade is really far from my fingers. And so that's going to keep me safe. So pinching here, a little up, a little twist, hanging on fairly loosely so the knife can rotate a little bit, and a big point to the floor. And so what that'll look like, you put that together, up, twist, big point to the floor. And that's going to keep the blade away from my fingers. So you can just kind of practice that. Pinching here, up a little, twist a little, and big point to the floor to get the blade out of the way. Now that you've mastered that, you can kind of practice this a little more and more to get it a little bit more of an up, a little more of a twist, and still that big down to get something that's a little more kind of flashy looking. But again, the big downwards thing is the thing that saves you. If you have the knife up here, boom, it's going to close on your fingers. So always point that handle downwards. All right, so now that you've mastered that, safe handle, release the bite handle, pinch with the pinky, remove the thumb, finger guns, release with the bottom 3 fingers, up, internally rotate, and point straight to the floor. And at this point, we can pinch with our bottom 3 fingers, remove our index finger, and flip the knife into the open position. Putting this whole move together, it's going to look something like this. like that. And as you get it faster and faster, you can look more like that. So that's the whole move. Hope you guys like that one. Thanks for watching. Peace.